Yeah, hi. Myself, Arupasis. My age is 41, and currently I am in Hyderabad. I am working as a project manager in a software company, and I have learned about this course from Facebook. And I have seen that after completing this course, I will be on good position. My salary will be hiked. So I have buy this mastery course, and currently I have completed three live sessions, weekend live sessions, and currently I am implementing all these three what I have learned from the three live sessions, like day to day work in using AI, prompt engineering. Those are I am implementing in my day by day works. So I am feeling very grateful to Aditya and team, all the team. So this is the. Uh, I am feeling that after enrolling in this course, I am feeling very good. So whenever I will complete this course, definitely I am seeing myself on a good position. So this is from myself. Thank you, Aditya and team. Thank you so much.